We're in Brussels! First stop namin, Grand Place. Ito ang Central Square ng Brussels at ito ay isang UNESCO Heritage Site. It was built on 15th century. Tapos makikita nyo dito yung mga magagandang halls kasi dito yung town hall nila mismo. Nandito din yung King House o tinatawag nilang Bread House, pati na rin yung Brussels City Museum.
It is a very, very beautiful place, magnificent. It's an architectural jewel. It stands as an exceptional and highly successful example of an eclectic blending of architectural and artistic styles of Western culture. This square also doesn't look too different from the 15th or 16th century. Sure, there's Starbucks in the lower level of one of the old guild buildings, but the overall architecture hasn't changed at all. We went there around 8 a.m. and I think that's the best time to actually go there before all the tourists comes at 10 a.m. Okay, we're going to Starbucks. If you like Gothic or the Baroque type of architecture, Grand Place is really a must visit for you. Look at that. There's a statue there. I know what the statue is. It's looking down at people. Oh, it's looking at us.
Okay, now it's time for the food, drinks, and the Manneken Pis.
Oh my God, Belgian Waffles!
There's a lot of ways to enjoy your Belgian waffle. Yung iba, yung ginagawa nila, pinagmimix nila yung whipped cream, peanut butter, tapos nilalagyan nila ng chocolate syrup. Yung iba naman, nilalagyan nila ng maraming fruit sa ibabaw, tapos nilalagyan nila ng iba't ibang klaseng syrup.
Did you have Belgian waffles?
Yeah.
Was it just the plain?
Yung ganong waffle. Kasi yung Belgian waffle na ginagawa ko sa Pinas, medyo medyo ano yung tawag doon? Crusty.
Oh.
Dahil sa rock sugar. Dito sobrang lambot. Tapos ang daming kong anik-anik.
Like
ang daming chocolate syrup, tapos lalagyan na
my
lang
Nutella,
ice cream. Yeah.
my ice cream, my strawberries, whatever fruits you will prefer.
So,
dragon fruit, dapat naghanap ka dragon fruit.
So pagkatapos, ang labas ng Belgian waffle mo,
sasabihin kang gross, don't say it.
Yun na yun. Try nyo na lang.
Okay.
Sobrang daming chocolate. Tingnan mo, nalagyan ako dito. Tapos yung kamay ko, ayan, may mga chocolate pa.
And of course, we had Belgian beers. Okay, I thought you're having a coffee for the morning.
Beer is better than coffee in the morning.
Yeah, ever since we started this Europe trip, we've been drinking beer in the morning. I don't know how you finish it. The Belgian beer was actually very good with the Flemish stew.
Ang nagustuhan ko sa Belgian beer, malty siya, tapos yung taste niya, hindi siya ganun katapang. Tapos ang tamis niya. Salit pupunta ka dito.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Sarap mag-almusal sa Belgium.
Oh!
Bukas ulit, pagising ko pupunta ka dito. Sarap ako.
Ah, sige, sige.
Belgium.
Okay. There's a lot of restaurants in the Grand Place area, so you can just choose a restaurant and eat the Belgian food there.
And now, it's time for us to look for the Manneken Pis. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Sa wakas, nakita rin namin si Manneken Pis. Ang liit lang pala talaga niya. Alam niyo ba na si Manneken Pis ay napakadaming damit? Meron siya para sa Halloween, sa Pasko, pati na sa Chinese New Year. Para lang Santo Niño sa atin. Ayon sa mga kwento, ang batang ito ang nag-save sa Brussels.
Oo, nung panahon daw ng gera at bababagsakin na ng mga kalaban ang gates ng Brussels, naglagay sila ng gunpowder dito. Fortunately, ihing-ihi na daw si little boy. So, inhian niya ang mga gunpowder at na-diffuse ang mga ito. Okay, back to today's world. Kailangan ko ng good vibes ng poging to.